Hi, this is my another project which is battery operated motor powered mini car, which is faster than my previous published rubber band powered mini car. The difference is here is the motor which is 3 volt and there is a rechargeable battery which is 3.7 volt and there is a switch. So battery can be used several times since it is a rechargeable battery, and we can always change it by opening here. So this is the battery box and we can change it anytime. These all are made from useless plastic bottle. So if we just close it, okay, if we turn the switch on, let's see. Oh great, it's running fast. And the benefit of this, it can also run in the water also. Yes. So if we put it in the water like pond, it will also run fast. So there is no pond, so we can place it here so that we can see whether it is running around. Oh great, it's moving. So in pond it will run straight since it is a barrel and it is round, it is moving around. But if it would be pond, it would run straight forward like this.